All right, tape speeding up to the downside. Let's see what we do right here. Like the break of, the high at 10 a.m. Left that low volume area over there, which if it rejects once again, this could be a possible short scenario. First starting 43.60 to the downside. Let's see what we do from here. Could definitely be a short scenario. This is structure wise what it looks like. Also NQ rejecting 3-hour supply. Let's see now. If it gets met with new selling volume, this could definitely be a possible short to into the 43.60s, which is kind of like even 43.65s, which is kind of like that where the buying started right here. So let's see. I like what it's happening right here. I like that as we're rallying, we're finding some selling in this. My stop loss will be above 43.80. Taking very short term, a possible reversal into this area where we did find some aggressive selling, right? As you can see right here. This could be that rally that does fail. If selling steps in, it's kind of be a retest type, continuation type of setup into a level of interest. We need to see aggressive selling now. I am shorting this, targeting 43.54, 43.52. I like the selling that as we moved higher was stepping in over there. This right here, I'm talking about this selling right here. Let's see if we could fail now. My stop loss is going to be above 43.80. Let's see. Let's see if we're able to fail now. But I'm talking very short term in this. Possibly rally that fails below this aggressive area where we did find some selling, right? As you can see right here. We rally, had some buying over there, finding the selling. I'm going to be targeting 43.52 now. Let's see. Having that volatility, this trade will not go red on me. This trade will not go red on me. As simple as that. 10 points up on this contract, this trade will not go red on me. We're having that volatility over there very nicely. 48s can definitely be reached, but I'm targeting the 52s lower. So let's see if we can definitely reach that over there. We have that volatility lower. Very nice trade so far. Very important to keep selling off below this and reach this target right here. This trade will not go red on me because with this volatility, if we come back into my entry, I do see it as less probabilities of working out. So let's see. Working out very nicely. I'm going to exit this position near low of A right here since this is a little consolidation before that drop. We had that rally failing, which is very good for this trade. We're very close from it, 2 points from it to possibly exit out of this position. I honestly don't mind just simply watching this action since this volatility is very nice to the downside. We're having that selling over there. Very important to keep bidding below this area, below this 42.60 for this trade to have more validity. But having some selling over there, so I'm pretty patient, honestly. I know what my risk is. I know what happens if we do rally past this. I'll scratch this trade. I'm totally cool with that outcome. So from this position, I'm just simply letting it develop and see what the market wants to do. But very nicely so far. Let's see if we could have that last push to the downside right here and exit out of this position. That's so far what I'm seeing and what I'm watching and what's happening so far. So let's see. I'm not going to count it as a victory yet because we could still catch a bid anytime. Just, you don't know what the market's going to do in the next minute. I'm just simply exiting at this lower portion of the range. I would want that last push to the downside to exit out of this position, but that selling is pretty strong. So I have nothing to worry about, honestly, with this current action in this. So let's see what we do now. Let's see if we can have that last push to the downside. About to be reached, 1 point away. It's 1 point away over there. Let's see. Having that last push over there, 2 ticks away. We need that last push over there into this. Last push over there. Simply need that. Need that last push into this. Let's see if we could have it in the next minute. Having a very weak market. Let's see if we could simply push now into the downside, into this right here. Not liking how this is taking too long, honestly. I'm exiting. I don't like how it's taking too long. That's the push over there. Literally a little bit before the exit over there. Literally. Now we need that volatility. Look at that. Had I waited 3 seconds, that would have been triggered over there. That's totally cool. I mean, didn't like how it was taking too long over there. Look at that push over there to the downside. If it does reclaim, that's definitely not good for this trade. But good so far. Good trade. I mean, technically, I exited a point and a point and 25 before my entry. Totally cool with that. Yeah, exit out of this position right here because I don't like how this is simply, failing to continue to sell into low of day and even 43.52. That's why I didn't like. Look at that reclaim now. Not good. So yeah.